At least one political commentator believes Jamaica will have to keep dancing between the raindrops when it comes to its relationship between China and the United States. China has been integral to Jamaica's development, with Chinese companies such as China Harbour Engineering Company (CHEC) responsible for major infrastructure projects like the Southern Coastal Highway, which links Kingston and St. Thomas, and the $45 billion Spark program being rolled out. However, there has been growing tension between China and the United States. That matter was put to U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio on Wednesday during his official visit to Jamaica.
What problems, if any, does America have with China's investment in Jamaica?
Our problem is not investment. Okay. Our problem is predatory practices. That's what we're concerned about. What we have seen all over the world is that China comes in and says, here's a bunch of money for a project they never build. They bring their own workers to do the work. They don't hire the locals, they bring their own workers. And oftentimes it comes attached with a huge loan that can never be repaid, and now they hold it over your head forever. That's our concern. Our concern is unfair practices too, where they come in, they're government subsidized companies, underbid everybody because they're subsidized, but then they come back and charge you whatever they want because now they've got the contract. So these are the things that we remain very concerned about. Again, not specifically about Jamaica, but in general.
And the response from the Secretary of State indicates that at this point in time, Jamaica has not offended the United States and has not been an enabler of these kinds of negative practices by China. I'm pleased with that, and I also want for that to be the case going forward. What this means is that Jamaica's engagement with China going forward must be such that we don't allow China to exploit, to expropriate Jamaica's benefits rather to themselves to the detriment of Jamaica.
Commentator Jermaine Barrett there, who adds that Jamaica has to be careful it does not offend the U.S.
And that is how it is that small island developing states like Jamaica must respond and engage with the world, particularly recognizing that there are strong powers in the world that could put the squeeze on us. So I think that is a pivotal point that we have to be considerate of, and just continue to dance between the raindrops and see to it that Jamaica's best interest is served, that Jamaica can be friends of China and America, despite the fact that neither country are friends of each other at this time.
Still to come this evening, St. James Police report drop in major and serious crimes. And in business news, major